The machine is turned on. The water is full. Button is pressed, but no coffee is coming out. Doesn't look like any water is going through. Still no coffee, and it says it's done, but there is no coffee. Even taking it out, and there's no water through the ground at all. And then putting it back on and hitting the single cup.